Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Time for another drawing tutorial. And if you've been here before, you know that I'm obsessed with Frida Kahlo. I did this abstract Frida Kahlo painting on this sweater that I'm wearing. I was online looking for easy, simple Frida Kahlo drawings, and I came across this one and the next one that we're going to do. I don't know who the artist is, so sorry, but it is kind of like a doodle, so it's very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But I'm going to make it my own as well, so I'll alter some of the line work in the original and add other things. But before we get started, a brief Frida Kahlo bio. Frida Kahlo was born in Mexico on July 6, 1907. Her father was German, so she was half Mexican, half German. At the age of 18, she had that bus accident that broke her spinal column, her collarbone, her ribs, her pelvis. Her right leg was fractured in 11 places, and her foot was dislocated and crushed. Because of all those fractures, she was in a body cast and spent a lot of time in the hospital. And that is where she started painting. And she did a lot of self-portraits because that's the subject that she knew the most, was herself. I feel like Frida Kahlo would have been selfie-obsessed if that was part of the culture, her and Van Gogh, because they did a lot of self-portraits. Unfortunately, she married the muralist Diego Rivera, who was 21 years older than her. And I say unfortunately because he was not very nice. And they got divorced, then remarried. And when she died at the age of 47 in 1954 in La Casa Azul, which was where she was born as well. So she was born and died in the same house. After she died, a year later, Diego Rivera died. So he was pretty heartbroken that she was gone. I mean, I don't blame him. Like, I think she was an extraordinary human being, so I'm always influenced by her. So let's get started with this very simple and easy Frida Kahlo drawing. So get your Sharpie or pencil just in case you mess up. And let's go. Normally I like to start with the eyes, but I think today I'm starting with the nose. So we start with the line, a nose line, because it's 3/4 view. So if this is the half of your paper, the nose will be below. And then her nostril. It's almost like, there's a word for this symbol, but I don't remember. Everything's pretty much going to be connected. So you're going to bring this line down, Cupid's bow, and then you're going to go down. Kind of like you're going to draw a mountain range. And then you're going to connect this with a smiley face. So since this is like a doodle, it has like, the lines kind of flow, which they're not right now because I'm showing you the steps, but this kind of goes down and then comes back up. There's kind of like a flow. I think the idea that we're trying to do is like do a drawing without picking up your pencil. So since you can't pick up your pencil, there's going to be an excess of lines, you know? But we're not going to go that route. Maybe a little bit. So then, right here we're going to do her chin or her cheek. And then you're going to bring like almost where the nose started. Almost. And then that eye is connected to this line, so the top of the eye, the bottom of the eye, and then the eyelid, and she's wearing eyeliner. And then for the eye, you do 2 circles in here. That's 1, and then 2. And then this line is going to go up all the way to her head. And it goes up because that's where like the hair is parted. And I'm gonna add eyelashes just because I think it's more me. If I give her eyelashes. See, I like that better. all ready. So then you're gonna come back up here and you're gonna bring this down. Now we have kind of like her face. And then you're gonna curve around to make the ear. It's almost like a backwards letter C. And then we're gonna go out inside to create all these weird things, lines that are inside your ear. I actually don't enjoy drawing or painting ears just because like I can never get the inside. And once again, it's like a doodle, so there's just lines. So I guess there's no right or wrong. So this comes down all the way to the bottom, forming her neck. Is this running out? And then her earrings, there's the circle here for her earring. And it's kind of just like a doodle. So you go in and across. And then on the other side. You could add more things to the earring if you wanted to. So on this side, you don't see all the earring because, like I said, it's a 3/4 V. But we're going to add another line here, like the shadow of the chin, and then move it down to the neck. And then the earrings, which you can't really see. I know this is a line to the neck, but I kind of like it in the earring. And maybe add like a little circle. I don't know. You can get creative with the earring. And then we're gonna do the eyebrow, which is a unibrow that connects. I wish I had a connecting unibrow. This line goes up to the hair, so the top. This line will come in to make the eye like with this one. Bottom of eye, top of the eye, eyelid, eyeliner, and the eyeball. Once again, I'm gonna do the lashes because I love a good lash. Loves it. I had to change, it was just too hot. So now what's left is just the hair. So the flowers will be up here. So the line for the back of the head. And like I said, there's lots of lines, so. On this side, it comes like from the bottom of eyebrow. There's another one. Alright, so now we're gonna add the flowers, and it's like a swirl. And then just continue that swirly shape. And then incorporate the lines from the head into the flower. Just, I guess we'll do one more here. Let's go to this one. Same thing, incorporate the lines from the hair. This is the outside, so we want to do the inside the same, which is a swirl. This one's like one that hasn't opened completely. Same thing, start with this little swirl. Down, around. Then bring these lines into the design so they're connected. This one will do the same, kind of the same, but upside down. So again, the swirl. And I need a new Sharpie. Hola, da, 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 da. So we'll bring this line from here to make part of that one. Connect these. And bring this one out. Come up. Here you're gonna make the other one. There's no right or wrong way. And then the last one here. Swirls. As long as you do swirls, you're gonna be fine. And that's it. There you have it. What I'm going to do now, though, is come back and retrace these lines and make them thicker. That way it looks better. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I'm done tracing, and it's a lot better. So now what my plan is to cut this out, trace it on this poncho that I'm wearing, and then paint it on here. I've never painted on a poncho, so we'll see what that turns out like. If it comes out good, I'll show you. If not, well, that means it was a flop. So I did it. I love the way it came out, but it's kind of heavy. But I have a feeling this will keep you very warm because it adds like an extra layer of like protection, especially if it's windy or raining. This is waterproof and windproof. But I like it.